easy to write down. We know what are our roles and our obligations and what are the tasks and the things that we have to do. But then we quit, maybe because it's overwhelming, maybe because we don't have motivation. So another thing that is important to do before we go to the next exercise is to decide and conclude what is the main motivation, what is the main thing that will inspire us and motivate us to achieve all these roles and give us the strength to be productive, creative, and to be able to fulfill all these roles. So you can write main goal. Sometimes I write right here and sometimes I write right here. So let's start with the work. Here I don't have any more place right here, so I will write here why. Why I will do all of these things. When I finish all of these things, how would I feel? That could be inspirational. So I can write here because I feel a need to be useful. And you find your why. If you want to go deeper into this, you can question yourself why you feel a need to do all of these things. But for now, I just want to bring the motivation into all of this. So I feel a need to be useful and to be productive and to be creative. And that's why I do all of this. That's why I became a content creator. Or I feel a need to help people to be useful. So I wrote just only one sentence. But you can write here, I want you to write here only one thing. And now you can turn the paper and write briefly or on an entire page your why. Why? Main goal. I feel. So my why for this I already wrote. So I feel a need to be useful. Let me find just. Need to help people, to be useful, to be creative, to express my creativity through this work. So my main goal is to share my knowledge, plus connect with people. Connect with people, plus help people, plus make all of this as my main job, and that's do what I love. Do what I love to do in my life. And how I feel when I think about this, or when I finish all of this that we wrote here, is I always feel helpful, useful, productive, happy, inspired. And one interesting fact is explained here very well, because everything we do in life, we do that to feel like this, to avoid unpleasant feelings and to fulfill and experience some pleasant feelings. All right, home, my main why would be simple. Take care of my house. This is why I do this. But take care of my house means I take care of my family. In my case. So you think about your why for this life area. And then let's go with why. Main goal. And I feel. And this can be also for some project. So you can do everything for every separated task or role. For example, why I'm an online instructor, why I do this, what are the tasks, what is the main goal, and how will I feel if I became, for example, the online instructor. Okay? So my main goal for why I want to be a good housewife, it gives me good feelings. Okay. If you write longer, you can write with a regular pen. Okay, I want to provide clean home for me and my family. Main goal is we will function well and feel well. Plus, we'll have time for family time. And I feel, well, I will simply feel organized. I will feel happy. I will feel productive if I do everything. I will feel as a good wife and mom. I will feel more relaxed, and that will be it. And now let's go with this family time. If you have some social life example, life area or health area, you write about that. So I already have my main why here, and is right here and right here, because I want to have nice, happy family. So, as I mentioned, you can go dive deep into this. This is the psychologist speaking. Now, from me, from my mind, I would say here that I have a strong need for this because I never had that type of family. I mean, I had until I was 9 years old, and then my parents can get divorced. I miss that part of my life, so I have a huge need to fulfill that empty part somewhere in my heart and brain. So this is really important part and area of my life. And now let's see why, main goal, and I feel. Alright, so I already said, because again writing with this one, because I miss that from my childhood. And also because I know that my father will be proud of me if he can see how I raise my family right now. I lost him a few years ago, but this is not a place to talk about that, okay? I'm here to motivate you, but I'm sure you have your own wants and needs, wishes. So my why is, this is down deep why, and some lighter why is because I want my family to be happy. And the most important goal for me here when we speak about family is to rise healthy, happy, kind, strong, mentally strong kids, children. This is the most important part for me. And I think the most important role, if I don't achieve that, I will consider that I failed, but I will do everything to achieve this one. This is the most important for me. And how I would feel proud of them and myself. I would feel happy, peaceful, content. Now we have our motivator, and it's here how I feel. And anytime when you don't feel motivation and you feel down and you feel that you don't have strength to continue or to achieve everything, just look at your paper, look at here, and you will be motivated by this.